Hello, you with me again. I'm Dior, and now I'm gonna unboxing. I just bought this actually 5 days ago, 15th of October, but now today 20th of October, I received it. So this is how they're packaging it. This is actually a second-hand phone which is already used by, but it's a flagship phone which people still wanted it. So. From the Malaysian seller, one of the seller which is from the Mirai 2000 seller from Shopee. I just bought this here. It's a Mirai 2000 on Shopee, and the price is 1349. Yeah, give me a second. And then they give this free wireless charger. I never used wireless charger before, so I'm so excited to use this. And if you can see, the output is 9 volt 2.0, so it's quite good for the fast charging. And then they give the free AKG earphone, which is, it looks like earbud, but it's actually not. It's a earphone, wired earphone. All right. These both priceless already. Okay. Then nothing on the box. Okay, the silicone rubber for free, but I'm gonna use the dual screen later on, so this one is not gonna be used. And then this is dual screen, and then if you can see, this is a new one, the new. Which is unboxed yet, so I'm gonna do another video of unboxing of this later on. Okay. Okay. What's this? 최초 국가 한국 제작, made of origin Korea. So V50, thank you. This is the box. Okay, DTS, LG Electronics. Okay, screen protector, and then what's this? This is 강단사용 설명서, manuals, but quick manuals, all in Korean. This one, 칩코 빠르게 트위터 이동하기. How to spell it? Twitter? No, OTG. Okay, how to say OTG? Okay, and then LG Play. LG Play. So I don't know what is this. It's in Korean. I'm easy to read. Okay. This is the phone. It's in plastic, so later on. And then got charger from, I don't know whether this is original or not, but maybe I guess it is original. So it's a fast charge, but it's until 9.0 1.8 AMH. And then the Type-C. It's not the normal Android, but it's Type-C wire. And here's the pin. How the pin is good there. And here dB. I suppose it's a earphone, but nothing, zero. Okay. Alright, so that's it. And I'm gonna do the unboxing for this gold screen and also the phone, how to use the phone later. Okay, thank you. Press the red color button.
Actually, put it on.
When you show